Are you looking for the best product you can find in the market? Take a look at the next video to understand why this is the best thing for you.
It's exciting to get a boxed item at your doorstep, more so when you receive it from a famous brand. The packaging is lovely. The content inside must be lovely as well. It all comes down to creating a more personalized experience while you unbox new products. So how do you get these new products at will without having to pay anywhere close to the retail price? How do you get these products for free? Opening these packages would be more fun then, wouldn't it? How about getting them as often as you want? Companies need feedback on their products, and they will spend a lot of money trying to get consumer opinion on them. Looking for consistency in branding is the primary objective of all major companies. Even if you feel like retaining a sticker on the packaging, that company will feel it has done a good job. They know you may not have tried out their newest product but are still keen to send them over to get your feedback. Promotional offers usually run for a few weeks or less. It is possible you may have missed something you needed just because you did not come across the promotional offer. There are so many offers going around, you are really not sure if an offer is genuine or not. One of the easiest ways to find these exciting new products is to look for companies that are ready to launch products. This is where we come in. We scout the internet for lucrative offers from reliable suppliers that believe in attaining goals by offering consumers promotional offers in quality packaging. Some of these products may cost you a bit. However, these products are available to you at highly affordable prices that are way below market prices and come with exciting bonus offers. This is how the unboxing scenario works. If you are looking for exciting new products free or at a fraction of its cost, keep watching our videos.
Thanks for watching. Click the link below for more info.